Hello everybody, welcome back. Right, okay, I've just received this, a Gousto box. We thought we'd give this a try. Now back in October, I think it was about the 7th of October I uploaded it. I'll put a link for that video down below as well. I had a Hello Fresh box. Now for one reason or another, I said I was going to do a review on it and I didn't. I don't know why. Whether it's just because I forgot but what I thought I'd do is, and really with the HelloFresh I didn't have anything to compare it with, I suppose, so what I thought I'd do is I'd have a look at this Gousto box, and then once I've done a couple of meals I'll let you know with one of the meals. I'll do sort of like a little cook along or something, and then I thought what I'd do is I've then got something to compare it with, so I can say whether sort of, you know, what I preferred, whether it be the Gousto or the HelloFresh. So yeah, so I thought, I've seen a few of the adverts, I don't know if you're familiar with the adverts for Gousto, so I thought I'd give this one a go as well. Now this was on a first time, it's 60% off you get for your first order, and then I think it follows on 25% for your next 4 boxes or something. So check it out, because they always do deals on these things, whether it be HelloFresh, Gousto, and there's sort of 2 or 3 more of these. So it's worth having a look. So I thought, well, I'll get this, and I'm actually going to do this now. I'm going to get this uploaded today. So today is the 17th of March 2023, and I thought I'd film this now and get it uploaded same day so you can see what I've got, and if you want to give it a try, then yeah, go ahead, go onto the site, have a look at the discount codes and the offers and see what you think. So right, I'll get this open and we'll have a look at what we got. Okay, let's see what we got. I'll say one thing for Gousto, they definitely sort of keep you updated with regards to the deliveries, if they've got any missing ingredients. They also told me that one of the menu cards or something, they had issues printing it, but they sent me a digital copy. So they definitely keep you informed. So what have we got? So this is a little recipe book or menu ideas. Yeah. Different things you can do, recipes, veggie, adventure seekers. Yeah, so I suppose it's just a book there just to give you an idea of what they do and how they work. Yeah, have a look at that later. Okay, so there's all our ingredients. Now the only slight difference I can see at the moment, the difference between this and HelloFresh, is HelloFresh actually comes pre-bagged, so each meal is bagged ready, where it looks like this you actually have to put the ingredients together yourself. That's a freezer bag, so that keeps everything nice and cold. So in here you've got things like clotted cream, some ginger, what else have we got? Bacon, chicken, that looks quite nice actually, halloumi. Somewhere here there should be some fish. There we go. Yeah. And one of the things was they do actually tell you if you've sort of like ordered haddock and they send the equivalent, you know, like a cod or something, they will let you know, and you have got a chance to change it. So we've got skinless, boneless cod. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll see if I can find one of the menu cards. Right. So these are the menu cards. So we've got sweet and smoky barbecue chicken fajitas. So yeah, I'm guessing you just go down the ingredients page, just pick out of the box what you want. Fair enough, I suppose. What else have we got? Spanish style haddock stew with garlic flatbreads. Barbecue halloumi with apple slaw and chips. Mild chicken curry. And creamy carbonara risotto with balsamic tomatoes. That all sounds very nice. So as I say, yeah, when you look in the box, it's got, even got, that's not, yeah, that is actually one egg in there. Right, okay, well, I think the thing to do maybe is to separate this out and actually put it in the order with a menu card in the fridge so you know what you've got. But say as the minute, that's the only difference I can see with this and HelloFresh is when you look at the HelloFresh video, it actually comes already bagged with the numbers on, and then your menu card it has a little number in the corner and it corresponds to the bag. But I don't suppose it's much hardship really. You just get the ingredients out what you want, just follow down here, put them together, and yeah, got all the ingredients of the Gousto box out of the box, and there we go. So yeah, you just get sort of what you need to cook. I suppose that is one of the benefits of these things like HelloFresh and Gousto, that if you're going to sort of cook a meal, rather than going out and buying sort of a bag of onions and a load of apples and this, that and the other and all the other ingredients. I mean, look at all these sauces here. You know, you've even got sort of little cloves of garlic rather than an entire bulb. You know, a thing of mayonnaise. So you're not actually going out and buying a jar of mayonnaise or vegetable stocks. And look, even like this, you haven't got to go out and buy this stuff in bulk and then only use a bit of it and then end up throwing it away. How that works out, I suppose, with the actual cost of the meal kit, and if you were to do this on your own, not quite sure. That remains to be seen. But things like the chicken, I mean, it looks very good. It comes well packaged. The fish, the bacon. I mean, that, as I say, when I showed you in the box, this was all in a separate thing with a freezer pack with it to keep it nice and cold. But yeah, I mean, you just basically got to make the stuff up yourself. I mean, for instance, this one here, this barbecue halloumi with apple slaw and chips. You have obviously, there's the apple, so you've got to make the slaw and everything yourself just by following the instructions. So what we've done is we've just taken the little menu card, and then what we've done, we've just put that in the fridge and just bagged up the ingredients and just kept them all together. So each recipe, just grab out the one that you need. Yeah, it didn't take long, just a few minutes. Just put them in a sandwich bag or something. Yeah. So the menu card, a little bag of ingredients, including all the sauces. So you just grab the one you want, and off you go. I'll let you know how I'll get on. See you soon.